Today we're going to talk about the degrees of comparison in adjectives and adverbs. We have three types. They're simple, comparative, and superlative. So the three degrees of comparison indicated by adjectives and adverbs are simple, comparative, superlative. Remember, the simple form refers to one person or one thing. In English, remember we always talked about simple as being one. It is used when there is no comparison being made. Some examples would be quiet and quietly. So the adverb quietly indicates just one person is doing it, or one thing. And then adjective quiet, in describing the man, it's just describing the man, not the man versus anybody else. The comparative form is used when two people or things are being compared. You add er or more to the adjective or adverb. For example, the adjective example would be, Dan is a faster runner than me. Faster is describing which kind of runner. We added er. In the adverb form, Cheryl sings more quietly than me. More is showing that we're comparing Cheryl to me. The superlative form compares three or more things. We use est or most to create the superlative form. So examples, Dan is the fastest runner on the team. We added est to fast. And the adverb form, we added most to quietly. So most is describing three or more things. Now there are irregular forms that have to be memorized. I'm going to leave this up here for a little bit. I would press pause so I can copy these down in my notes. But let's just go over a couple little ones here. You've heard good, better, best. Well, there's also little, less, least, much, more, and most. Bad, worst, worst are some examples. All right, now here's your turn. Number your notebook 1 through 3. Write the correct form of the adjective or adverb. So in this sentence, my big brother ate blank pizza than I did. Figure out how would you show little. Number 2, this book is the blank book in the entire library, and you're using popular. And number 3, Katrina skated blank for her very first try. And well is the word that you're using for this one. All right, bring your list of 3 correct forms with you to class.